Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we are simply list problem from CSES problem set. In this problem, we have a given n songs and we want to determine longest sequence of successive song where each songs are unique. Let's see input. In input, we have a given integer n. There are numbers of songs and next line containing 1 to n element. There are IDs of each song. And we want to print the longest sequence of unique song. I think you got idea. Let's see with an example. Suppose we have given 1 2 1 3 2 7 4 2. Now suppose we will take from 1, then all unique elements are containing 1 to 2, so there are 2 unique elements. Suppose we will take from 2, then we will have 1 2 3 because 2 are repeating, so that's mean over all unique elements are 3. From 1 we will take 3 2 7 4. There 2 is repeating, so that's mean we will take only this 5. There are 5 elements. Okay, now from this 2 we only take 1 2 3 element. From 7 we will take only 1 2 3 element. From 2 we only take 2 element. From 2 we only take, that's mean our longest maximum subsequence is 5. I think you got idea how it works. Let's see code. This is our brute force code. Firstly he will take a element I, then he will check in a set whether any element are repeating. If element are repeating, then break and check it is the size of set is maximum, that current size, the if maximum, that will update maximum. Time complexity of every element from I to n are n, and time complexity of I to n are n. That's mean our time complexity are to n to the power 2. It is too large. We want to reduce the time complexity into minimum em. Okay, so see so we want to see our optimized solution. Let's see optimize approach. Suppose we will take 1 2 3 2 7 4 2. We will take r tends to 0, j tends to 0. We use I adding element, j for removing element, and we will take a map for storing frequency. When we will add element until we have a frequency of any element is greater than equal to 2. Suppose we will add 1 2 1. When our frequency is greater than 2, we will remove the element until the frequency of that element become 1. Suppose we will add 1 to 1, then our frequency is 2, so we will remove all element until the frequency of 1 is 1. So then that's mean we will remove 1. Now we will take we update our max. That's mean our max is 2, so we'll add 3, we'll add 2. See, our 2 is repeating, so frequency of 2 is 2, so we'll remove the element until the frequency become 1. We'll remove this, the frequency is 1, so we'll add it. See here, the length is 3, so we'll update by 2 3. Then we'll add 7, the length is 4, then we'll update our length. Then we'll add 4, our length is 5. So when we add 2, we have a frequency of 2 is greater than 2, so we'll remove the elements. We remove 3 2 and this 2 also. That's when our length is 3 is less than 5, so no need to update. Our answer is 5. I think you got idea. Let's see code. We'll doing the code. Just 1 minute, I will erase it. Now first we will make map empty. Okay, now we'll take now we'll take I tends to 0, j tends to 0. Then we'll run for while loop until j is less than of n. Now we increase the frequency of the element. Okay, and the frequency of element, if frequency of the element is greater than 2, now we'll remove the element that's appear greater than 2 times. Like this, we have when we add 1, we'll remove element until we have say a first one. Okay, like this. Once suppose we'll take this 2, then we'll remove all element until this 2. you will understand C. Then we'll take while loop mp j. Let's submit it. First we'll select the now we'll check accepted. Thank you guys.